Welcome to Lakshya Learn Maths. So today in this video we are going to revise the 7th standard concepts from our worksheet. So let's go into the video. Before going to the video, just like, share, comment and subscribe to Lakshya Learn Maths. So let's go into the video. First main is fill in the blanks. First one, visual representation of frequency distribution and information is known as pictograph. Next one, most repeated number in the given score is called mode. Third one, the companion term of a variable is called coefficient. Next one, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a straight angle. Next, a polynomial containing two terms is called a binomial. Two angles having common side and common vertex is called linear pair. Next, the difference between the highest and the lowest score is called range. Next, two lines which extend either sides and do not intersect each other are said to be parallel lines. Next, ratio of total score to the number of score is called mean. Next, identity element of addition is 0. Next, the value of 7.9 divided by 100 is 0.079. Let's go to the second main. Second main is do as directed. First one, write the following equations in statement form. M minus 17 equal to 3. The answer is 17 subtracted from, what's the number here? M gives us, what's the answer? 3. 17 subtracted from M gives us 3. Next, second one, write the following statement in equation form. 10 times A is 70. 10 times A means 10 multiplied by A. 10 multiplied by A equal to 70. This can be written as 10A equal to 70. Okay, let's move to the next one. Complementary angle of 76 degree. Complementary angle is 90 degree. Sum of two angles gives us 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 76 degree, that is 14 degree. So the complementary angle of 76 degree is 14 degree. Let's move to the next question. That is, find the value of M in 5M plus 7 equal to 17. So first we have to subtract 7 on both sides. That is, subtract 7 on both sides. That is 5m plus 7 minus 7 equal to 17 minus 7. 5m plus 7 minus 7 get cancelled. So 17 minus 7 is 10. Now we have to divide 5 on both sides. I'll write here. Divide 5 on both side. So that is 5m by 5 equal to 10 by 5. 5 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 twos are. The answer is m equal to 2. So let's move to the fifth question. The fifth question is, there are 6 marbles in a box with number from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So how many marbles are there in a box? 6. That is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the probability of drawing? Question number A marble with number 2. So in how many marbles are written as 2? Only 1. That is probability of 2, number 2 equal to, how many marbles are written as 2? That is 1. 1 by, there are total how much marbles? That is 6. So the probability is 1 by 6. The same, a marble with number 4. That is probability of number 4 equal to, how many marbles are written as 4? 1. So 1 by total 6. So answer is 1 by 6. Let's go to the next main. The sixth one is, use greater, smaller or equal in the box given. It is minus 8 plus minus 4, plus of minus 4 one side, and minus 8 minus of minus 4. So what we should do? First let's do this. So both are minus, so we need to add, that is minus 12. And here minus into minus plus, so minus into plus minus, so that is minus 4. So which is greater? Minus 4 is greater. This side is greater. Let's go to the next question. This is, find the product of minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 2 into plus 3 into 4. So that is 2 ones are minus into minus plus, right? 2 ones are 2 into, let's put it same, 4 threes are, that is 12. So 12 into 2 is 24. The 24 is the answer. Eighth one, which congruence criteria do you see in ZX? That is ZX is here and RP. RP is here. Next, RQ. RQ is here. RQ is equal to ZY. So PRQ, angle PR, angle R is equal to angle Z. So the two sides included with one angle, included to the angle is SAS. So let's move on to the next question, that is ninth one. In the following proof, supplied the missing reason. So yes, AM equal to AM. AM is equal to AM because it is common side. Common side. Okay. So side AP is equal to side AQ. So this is the angle PQ is the third side of his triangle. That's right. Third side of the triangle. Side of the triangle. So the next question is 10th one. Express 1250 gram in kg. So 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. So 1250 gram is equal to 1250 gram by 1000. 1010 cancel. So that is 1.25 kg. Let's move on to the third main now. The third main is solve the following. First one, find the product of 8 into 53 into of minus 125 using the suitable properties. So this property is associative property, that is A into B into C. This A into B into C. So yes, 53 into bracket 125 into 8. Yes. So let's multiply it. 53 as it is into as it is 125 into 8, that is minus 1000. So now let's multiply 53 into 1000, that is 53000. 53,000. Here it is minus symbol, so minus 53,000 is the answer. This is associative property. Let's go to the second sum, that is get the value of t in 16 equal to 4 plus 3, that is t plus 2. So let's write 16 as it is equal to 4 plus 3 into t is 3t and 3 into 2 is 6. Yes, 3 into 2 is 6 and here plus symbol. Let's write it. Yes, now 16 as it is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 3t. Now 16 minus 10 equal to 3t, 6 equal to 3t. Now t is equal to 6 by 3. 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. T is equal to 2. Yes. Now let's go to the last sum, that is divide 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. Yes. Now let's do it. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. Okay, now we have to do reciprocal. So when we do reciprocal, we need to put into multiplication symbol. So 8 by 3, it will become 3 by 8. is, so now we can't cancel it. That is 7 3s are 21 by 2 8s are 16. The answer is 21 by 16. Now let's this sum is addition. X plus y minus 2z, comma 2x minus y plus 3z, comma minus x plus 3y plus 5z. So now the easiest method is x plus, write the first expression as it is, x plus y minus 2z. Okay, the next one is 2x. 2x, x is there, right? So let's write in the x column. That is 2x minus y and plus z, plus 3z, plus 3z. And the next is minus x. So minus x plus 3y, 3y plus 5z. Okay, so now let's add everything. So now z as it is, so your plus is there, so 5 plus 3 8, 8 your minus is there, 8 minus 2 is 6, plus 6z. Okay, now here plus y minus y get cancels, 0, so remaining is plus 3y. And now here this is nothing means plus, so plus x minus x get cancelled, the remaining is 2x. The answer is 2x plus 3y plus 6z. This is the next question. 5m minus 7n, 3n minus 4m plus 2, comma 2m minus 3mn minus 5. So let's solve it. So let's write 5m minus 7n and next 3n, it is here, so 3n plus and minus 4m, it is minus 4m and plus 2 is nowhere, so let's write here plus 2. And next 2m minus 3mn, so 3mn is not here, so let's write minus 3mn and here minus 5, here nothing is there, so 0, here also 0. So let's solve this. Minus 3mn, nothing is there, so let's write as it is. And next is plus 2 minus 5, that is 0, 3, minus 3, not 0, minus 3. And here that is n as it is, minus 4, 7 minus 3, minus 4. And next plus let's add it. So 7 minus 4 is 3, so 3m as it is. So this is the answer for this question, that is 3m minus 4n minus 3 minus 3mn. So let's go to the next question. The next question is ready. 3x minus 5y plus 7z from means it is understood that this is subtraction. From means you have to take the second number as the first. That is 5x minus 7y plus 2z. Okay. Now let's write this number. 3x minus 4y plus 7z. Okay. Now we need to subtract we need to multiply these numbers from subtraction symbol. That is, here nothing is there, means plus, see here. So plus into minus, that is minus, minus into minus, plus, and plus into minus, minus. Okay, so now let's answer, do the difference, that is z as it is, there plus into minus, that is minus 5z. Okay, and here minus 7y plus 4y, that is minus 3y, and here that is 2x. So the answer of this question is 2x minus 3y minus 5z. So let's go to the last sum. So guys, this is the last question of this video. So that is 5x plus 11y minus 13z from means this is also again from subtraction. So that is some 7x minus 3y plus 2z. Let's write this 5x plus 11y minus 13z. So now again we have to multiply these numbers from subtraction symbol, that is plus here. So plus into minus, that is minus, and plus into minus is again minus, and minus into plus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So now let's solve this sum, that is z as it is. Okay, and now plus plus, we need to add it, that is 13 plus 2 is 15. The symbol will be always plus 15z. Yes, and now the next minus into minus is plus, and you need to add it. So that is 11 plus 3 is 14y and the symbol is plus. And now plus into minus is minus, you need to subtract it, that is 7 minus 5 is 2x and the symbol will be plus because 7 is greater. So the answer is 2x plus 14y plus 15. Hope this video was useful for all the high school friends like me. If you want more videos, concepts and worksheet based on 7th standard, just click the subscribe button immediately, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.